Yo, Lion, bless up the mother them today.
Yeah, man. Definitely. We just want to take this opportunity to say a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Thanks for doing an excellent job. You have been awesome. We know it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, a lot of tolerance, a lot of sacrifice to being a great mom. You have done well. So this and every day, we have to make mommy's day special. Tell mommy you love her, tell mommy you care. Show mommy some respect. Not only one day, but every day of mommy's life. Thanks again to all the mothers. Respect, love, and honor. Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy. And to all of you youths out there, I'm asking you, I beg thee, cause mommy less stress. Whatever we can do to put a smile on mom's face, not only today, but every day of mom's life. Keep yourself